Hello guys, welcome to this new lesson. Today we are going to talk about parts of the body, the health problems, and we are going to answer questions like how do you feel and what's the matter with you. So let's go to the next slide. In this slide we can see the vocabulary related with the part of the body. We can mention something like the ankle, the arm, the back, chest, shin, and so on. So the idea is that you can identify uh, the external part of the body and the internal parts too. By the way, almost everybody talks about the external part of the human body, but what about the internal part? So here in this image you have some internal parts that it's important that you recognize and identify. For example, we have here the brain, the lung, heart, kidney, stomach, and liver. So try to memorize all of these words because eventually you need to use them. Later in our class, we will talk about the health problems and injuries that we can suffer. So obviously, they are connected with the human part, the human body parts. So it's possible that we have a cold, we have the flu, we have a rash, headache, stomach ache, and so on. So, again, the idea is that you learn vocabulary for saying in English. After that, we are going to ask questions for knowing the health of somebody. So, in the left side of the slide, we see a question that we can ask. For example, how are you? How are you today? How do you feel? How do you feel today? So the the answer could be in a positive way or in a negative way. For example, positive, I'm fine, I'm good, I'm great, I'm fantastic. But negative, I'm sick, I'm awful, I'm terrible, I'm miserable. I feel miserable. So maybe the person use a complete sentence in order to answer your question, like I'm so sick, I feel very sick, I'm not so good, I'm not very well. So again, in this part of the class, we are going to practice question because we want to know the health of somebody. The right side of the slide, you can see a picture which is an exercise that you can complete, answer the question that you can see there. Then we have in this slide question or expression for offering help. We can help people. So how? Well, helping people politely with this question or expression. May I help you? How can I help you? Are you ill or sick? Are you wounded? Are you injured? Do you need medical attention? Where do you feel pain? Do you have medication? What could I give you? Would you like something? Okay? So remember this expression when you can help people. It's very important. Here we can see the first aid content, the materials, the medicine that are inside the first aid, like antiseptic swab, bandage, adhesive strip, dressing board, and so on. But let me show you now the final slide in which I'm sure that you know the part of the body. Remember external or internal, the health problem, disease that people suffer. So you need to use this vocabulary because you don't know when you can help people and ask questions like, how do you feel? What's the matter? Finally, I hope that you like this video. Remember, we are going to reinforce all this content in the classroom. So stay there, keep in touch, and see you in the next video. Bye.